We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey folks, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
And hey, Joseph Ling. Today I wanted Alice to teach me something that is very, very important. I can't believe we haven't even touched this subject yet.
錯嘅，當然係咯。
Yeah, we've never taught directions, you know? North, south, east, west, left, right, up, down. 你開車嗎？
有啊。
方向感好嗎？
做的。
好啊。真的嗎？
真嘅啦，喂，不要看不起我。
我看你猶豫了。難怪不敢教這個單元。是不是常常要問路啊？
唔會啦，
不會哦，那是我。
俺沒路痴。
哦，不是嗎？Okay, getting back to the lesson right here. Let's go ahead and start teaching 東南西北中發白。哦，不對，不，下次教麻將，左右上下，上下左右，哎，很順哎，每次講到東南西北就馬上中發白，哎，對，槓上又多加一台。OK， 算了，OK。This is a semi-mahjong lesson, by the way. Okay, 東 OK, 南哦，都很簡單，其實都有一點尾音不一樣而已哈。That was east and south. 西 west. 西 Okay, it's the same as Chinese. 北 north.
北
哦，要這麼凶嗎？
沒有，這樣
北
就是對。
北部啊，北。Okay, 北 that's north. 上下左右 those are four other directions. Up, down, left, and right.
上
that's up. Down 下
下
okay. How about left? 左 okay. And then right 右 you 那上下左右就是上下左右。
唔錯啦，
哎，錯了嗎？
上下左右
哦，那個音調不太一樣，聽起來比較
連在一起的時候會有一點轉音，對不對？
哦 OK， 上下左右如果要一起念的話就
上下左右，
上下左右，好像在做一個 roller coaster 一樣，然後一個雲霄飛車。All right, so there you go. Those are the 8, I guess, basic directions that everyone should learn. 東南西北，上下左右。
東南西北，上下左右。
東南西北，上下左右。So there you go. You got to use this wisely and carefully next time you ask for directions, okay? That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.